Today we are going to be unboxing and doing the initial startup on the entry-level smartwatch that we offer here. So try not to ramble, let's just get into it and see what we can see here. So you've got the watch, the bands, a little instruction manual, very small print. You're going to need to get out your magnifying glass for that. But the way this thing works is pretty simple. And keep in mind, this is not going to be an Apple Watch. This is not going to be an Android watch. It's an entry-level smartwatch, but it actually has some surprisingly good features for how inexpensive it is. Excuse the screen cover there. That's just to keep it in mint condition. But everything is controlled by one little button here at the bottom. If you tap it, it's going to go through all the different modes like this. If you long click it, it will do other things. For example, we'll go into the settings here. If you long hold it, it brings up the different options you can do there. Toggle through different things like that. And then it takes you back to the main screen. Tap it again, you have the home screen. The band on this is actually pretty basic as you get it on the right side to start with, but it basically just pushes on and snaps into place just like that. Same thing on the other side. Oh, before I cover it up, this little thing right here is where you charge it. This plugs right into a just standard USB port. No wires, no different cradles or anything like that. You just plug it into the USB port and it charges. Pretty simple. Always protected by this too, which is nice. Snap that one on. So now you've got your completed watch. Put this on here real quick. Goes on like you expect. Got the little tab there. Push it into place. Tuck this in. And that's it. You're in business. So, adjust this camera a little bit here. If you bring up the menus, cool little feature. Go to the little health one and long click it. So right now it's reading my heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen level. It's pretty amazing to have that in such an inexpensive smartwatch. We'll give that just a minute to come up, and then we'll get into how the app works. So there you go. Looks like I'm in pretty good shape. I will take that. All right. So let's move into the app side of things here. So it's just this app that you download from the Android market. Very basic. Now I have not connected this watch to it yet. So we're going to do that now so you can see how easy it is. Down at the bottom here, hopefully you can see that. This little set button. So you get into the set option there. And up here it's got bind devices to experience more features. Basically that means link the smartwatch to your phone. So we're going to click that. Wait for it to pop up. It'll be near the top. It's like 714 or 716, something like that. But we'll see that pop up here in a minute. There it is. I'm going to click that. Now it's going to connect. Let's see, it's connecting there. And it's all connected, ready to go. One important thing to note that you may have noticed, if you go into this user profile section, you can set up your own profile, your age, weight, height, all that good stuff, but also, more importantly, the units. Here in the States, we use miles instead of kilometers. We use pounds instead of kilograms. And we use inches instead of centimeters. So you can have the, oh, and temperature as well, Fahrenheit instead of Celsius. So you can have that all set up the way you're used to it. But that's basically it. After that, it syncs everything up with your phone app. It'll track your steps, your calories burned, whatever you want. It'll track your sleep, and as well as those heart health things that we looked at earlier. So thanks for watching.